Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, it is another David's Tech Unboxings. In today's episode is a Google Home Mini that I got for free with the Spotify promotion. There we go. Google Home Mini, and what else do I have? Hope this brightens your day. Oh, subscribe to David the Apple Tech Guy on YouTube. That's awesome. Thanks, Google. Google even wants you to subscribe. Subscribe to David the Apple Tech Guy on YouTube. So yeah, even Google wants you to subscribe. So yeah, let's start the unboxing. This is Google Home Mini. I got the charcoal black. Is it called? Google Home Mini charcoal. Pretty cool. I don't think I need a knife for this. I don't think. Nope. So satisfying. Alright. And now the satisfying slide. Okay. That opens up this. That's cool packaging. And there's the Google Home Mini. White from the top. It actually feels really nice. I really like it. It's nice. This is like silicone. This is fabric. It camouflages to like the scenery. It's really nice. Charger, the power button. What else is in the packaging? That's the case. Let's get started, guide. Just your normal everyday instructions. How to set it up and plug it in. Stuff like easy work you all should know. And here is the actual power brick. The cable is connected to the brick, so you can, it's not like the Apple ones. The cable feels really nice and smooth. I like it. And yeah, let's plug this big boy in, this small boy or whatever, this Google Home Mini, and yeah. Okay. Let's plug this in. This should always be plugged in because it's not like a normal speaker. It's turning on. And then this is the switch if you don't want it to listen.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Phone or tablet, let's... Google Home. Alright, I got Google Home. I used to have it.
Okay, Google. Your Google Home isn't set up yet. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. Yep, it's downloading. Boom. I'll probably use the 6 Plus and not the Google Home because I like using this as a home phone stuff, but I'll do it on my iPhone 10, it's fast too. So yeah.
Alright, the app has downloaded Google Home. Okay. Cancel. Welcome home. Welcome home. Control your content and devices from one place. Get started. Google thing do I want? I use David the Apple Tech Guy, my YouTube channel. It was a piece of hell. Create a home. Set up one device. Get started. Set up a new device. Google Home. Choose a home. Create another home. Home nicknames. Your home nickname helps you identify your home. The address will be used for things like directions. Okay, let's call it a YouTube house. YouTube house. YouTube house. Oh, check it, okay. Wait. Helps you out. I'm putting my address in, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. Allow by using app. Yes, looking for devices. I like the animations. Google Home 3590 found. Would you like to set this device up? Yes. Next, connecting to Google Home. Did you hear the sound? Yes. Help improve Google Home Mini. Yes, I'm in. Where is this device? This is gonna be in my room. Family front yard, garage, hallway. Bedroom. Custom room name. David's. David's editing room. Editing room? Oh. David's quarters. David's studio. Studio. David's studio. Bono 5G. Okay, connecting to the Wi-Fi. Set up Google Assistant. All right. Oh, I agree. I agree. Okay. Okay, Google, play my workout playlist. Okay, Google, where is the nearest post office? Hey, Google, remind me to buy flowers. Hey, Google, what time is the sunrise? Voice match. Let's see. Love the bun jumping animations. Make sure you subscribe. Get personal results with your voice. View more. Okay. Choose your assistant's voice.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
I like voice 1. Okay, next. Link. To access yes, link account. Sure. Okay. Next. Link video services. No, I don't have that. Continue. Get started with voice calls. Number verified. Upload contacts. Okay. Stay in the loop. It's almost done. David Studio speaker is ready. Let's take a screenshot of that. It's cool.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Just so with hey Google. Hey Google, play music.
Playing some music on Spotify. You can always feel free to ask, what song is this?
Hey Google, play Christmas music.
Okay, here's a Spotify playlist called Electronic Christmas.
Hey Google, stop. Okay. Finish setup. And yeah, YouTube House. I got the features. Stop the music. Hey Google. Alright, so this is it for the unboxing of the Google Home Mini. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to, sorry about that, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, if you enjoyed, yeah, I like it. There'll be some more reviews of this. Peace out.